Ever wondered how some people are making thousands online without lifting a finger? In this video, I'm revealing the secret toolkit that AI experts are using for effortless affiliate marketing content creation. And trust me, you don't want to miss these game-changing hacks. First up, we have Jasper, an AI writing assistant that's taking the content creation world by storm. Jasper uses advanced machine learning to generate high-quality, human-like text for blogs, social media posts, emails, and more. You simply input a few lines about your topic, and Jasper crafts compelling content that's perfect for affiliate marketing. Imagine reducing the hours spent on writing to mere minutes. This tool makes it possible. Next on the list is Copy AI, another powerhouse for generating engaging content. With its user-friendly interface, Copy AI offers templates specifically designed for marketing needs. Whether you need catchy product descriptions or engaging social media captions, this tool has got you covered. It leverages AI to understand your brand's voice, making your content more cohesive and effective. Then there's Writesonic, which can create everything from SEO-optimized blog posts to Facebook ad copy. Writesonic's AI algorithms are designed to produce text that not only resonates with your audience, but also aligns with search engine requirements, boosting your content's visibility. Affiliate marketers can utilize Writesonic to churn out high-quality articles and promotional materials without breaking a sweat. Lastly, let's talk about Ritter. This affordable yet powerful tool is perfect for those just starting with AI-driven content creation. Ritter can assist you in generating email campaigns, product reviews, and more, all tailored to your specified parameters. Its ease of integration into existing workflows makes it a favorite among beginners and seasoned marketers alike. Have you ever tried using an AI tool for your content creation? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Optimizing your affiliate marketing content with AI insights can revolutionize the way you approach your campaigns. Imagine having the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and trends in mere seconds. That's what AI brings to the table. By leveraging AI for keyword research, you can pinpoint the exact terms and phrases your target audience is searching for. This ensures your content aligns perfectly with what people are looking for, boosting your visibility on search engines and attracting more potential customers. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also evaluate content performance by analyzing metrics such as click-through rates, engagement levels, and conversion rates. This kind of analysis helps you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that optimize your strategy in real time. You can fine-tune your content to better meet the needs of your audience, driving higher engagement and more sales. Personalization is another game changer brought about by AI with AI. You can tailor your content to individual users based on their behavior and preferences. This means each visitor gets a unique experience that's designed to resonate with them personally, making your content more compelling and your calls to action more convincing. So, how can you start incorporating AI insights into your affiliate marketing strategy? Have you ever used AI for keyword research, performance analysis, or personalization? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.